madam! So, good day po. This is my reflection video about the principles of population growth. So, these are the things that I have learned from the video in the YouTube. So, I'll talk about the exponential growth and the logistic growth, and also the different term, vitality and morality, and as well as the immigration and emigration. As I have learned about the two types of population growth and also the four processes that affect the population growth, I also learned about what is population and what also the growth. So population is the total number of the same species in a specific area or particular region. For example, in a community or in a nation. While growth, it is the increase of the size of that population in a given period. It is clear that population is changing through time. There are also abiotic and biotic factors that affect the population growth. Some of it is food availability, which is there is a competition between many species, and also the predation. And while the abiotic factors that affect the population growth is some kind of atmospheric pressure and also the adverse weather. So as of this, there are also four processes that affect the population growth. So the natality and morality, and as well as the immigration and emigration. The natality and the immigration increases the population, while the mortality and emigration decreases or lessens the population in a certain area. So through all of these processes, population growth or size can be changing over time. There are two population growth that explains how a population rate gets increased and decreases. So first is the exponential growth. Exponential growth, as you see in this picture or in that picture that popped up in the video, is in a J curve shape, while in this part of the graph, which is the logistic growth, is explained as the S curve. So when we say in an exponential growth, the population rate or growth rate increases at the same period or time, while logistic growth explains that the S-shaped curve, that is the population size of a population, gets smaller and smaller through the carrying capacity of an population to increase in a size, is unrestricted with the environment factors that affect its growth. So that is the two growth, the exponential growth and logistic growth, that explains by the video. That's all. Thank you po.